There are two major nations for Hindus and Muslims. 100 millions of Muslims cannot be characterized as a minority. We are 70 millions in the northwestern and northeastern zones of India. We constitute a majority of 70% against the caste Hindus in these homelands of ours. We want the division of India into Hindustan and Pakistan because that is the only practical solution. Hindu India and Muslim India must be separated because the two nations are entirely distinct and different, and in some matters antagonistic to each other. We differ in our history, culture, language, architecture, music, laws, jurisprudence, calendar, and our entire social fabric and code of life.
आप सब आजाद हैं अपने मंदिरों में जाने के लिए, आप सब आजाद हैं अपनी मस्जिदों में जाने के लिए और किसी भी और इबादतगाह में जाने के लिए। इस ममलिकत पाकिस्तान में आपका ताल्लुक किसी भी मजहब, जात या अकीदे से हो, ममलिकत का इससे कोई सरोकार नहीं।